Oh, good news guys. uZethu is still very much pregnant. Nengane futhi i-right and healthy naye kushiwo whathiwa use-right manje. Now the problem is that ama-teasers kaJune wenimba asitshela ukuthi uZethu is still going to have complications. Now I want us to talk about this and more here in this video. But before I start with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Now I know that some people are getting bored of this storyline, and I don't know why, because I'm enjoying it to the core. You know, I won't lie, there are some episodes of Inimba that I can say are better and stuff. Like ubuke episode from eqaleni ziyophela ubona ukuthi there was nothing entertaining about this. But then I think the storylines are good. It's just that they are now dragging as compared to the previous season, because on season 1 bekade kwenzeka into manje. In fact, each and every episode will end ubona na ukuthi you ushubile. But this time around, I think they've decided to drag storylines a little bit. For instance, Lentokazi Zethu, because it's dragging right now. I mean, we all know that something's going to happen to Zethu at the end of the day, but akwenzeki manje. So ngafuna into kwenzeka manje because of the show, because into sijwayezile, into supposed to Chapo and his team abisebele basijwayeza yona. But then mina, I won't lie, I'm happy with this storyline in particular. I don't know about other storylines, abazani and everything. I don't think I like that. Nabo Leanto Liana ka obalo. Who's this guy? Who is this guy? Who has a drinking problem now? I don't know. But then the storyline guys, I think I'm enjoying it, which is what I want to talk about here on this video. So, now I'm doing Zagala. Udokotela uyasitshela on the recent episode ukuthi uZethu is still very much pregnant. I think everyone had thought that uZethu has lost the baby and everything, because even now she got shocked uma udokotela emtshela ukuthi yena nengane ba right, and then she was like, I'm still pregnant. Then the doctor was like, yeah, usasekhulelwe ngane and ingane is fine for now. So into confuse awe manje uma bathi ingane i right for now and uZethu is stable for now. So yini lenzakala on the teasers, because the teasers of the show are telling us that there's going to be complications, and those complications now are going to force the family to choose between Zethu and the baby. Having so Uhlazi was offering to pay for the surgery. I think Zethu is going to have to go to a certain surgery lapho khona azokhishwa ingane noma mhlawumbe uzomela ekhishwe certain clothes in Zethu's body. I don't know what is really happening there, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted about it. So I don't know. I mean, I just got excited with the baby is fine and Zethu is also fine. I don't know about you guys. So what did you think? Or what did you want to see happening? Do you want the baby to die, or do you want Zethu to... What exactly were you expecting from Zethu drinking those pills from that mess? So do share that in the comment section. Comment there, share your thoughts, share opinions, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.